The Personal MBA Master the Art of Business by Josh Kaufman is a comprehensive guide that aims to provide readers with essential business knowledge and principles without needing to attend a formal MBA program. This is your influence and authority expert Raam, Anand, and in this training, let's deconstruct this book's structure, the outline, and the techniques used to create this book. And this is one of the ways I help people write their own books. At Stardom Books, our mission is to bring you the biggest ideas, badass techniques, and cool shortcuts to help you write your own book and become a published author quickly and easily with full support from a world-class publishing team. So do not keep it for yourself. Click follow and subscribe to our channel to get more such training. Now let's continue. This book is structured into 6 main sections which are further divided into specific topics. The outline of this book has 11 parts. Apart from the introduction at the beginning and the conclusion at the end, the rest of the parts or the big ideas included in this book, they are like value creation, marketing, sales, value delivery, finance, the human mind, working with yourself, working with others, understanding systems, analyzing systems, and improving those systems. And each part of the book covers major aspect of business, and within each part there are multiple chapters dedicated to specific principles and concepts of this book, explained in this book. The structure allows the reader to systematically learn about each area of business and building upon the previous knowledge as they progress along. Now let's explore the techniques, strategies, and the tactics used to create this book in the first place. First one, extensive research. Kaufman conducted extensive research and synthesized information from various sources, including perhaps other books, articles, and interviews with successful business people. And this comprehensive research provides a solid foundation for the book's content. Second, simplification. Kaufman breaks down complex concepts into digestible and easy to understand explanations, making the book accessible to readers with varying levels of prior business knowledge. Third, real-world examples. Throughout the book, Kaufman uses real-world examples and case studies to illustrate the key concepts, helping readers to understand how these principles apply to actual business situations. Fourth, cross-disciplinary approach. The Personal MBA, the book, draws on insights from various other disciplines such as psychology or economics and systems thinking to provide a well-rounded perspective on business and its challenges. Fifth, actionable advice. The book offers actionable advice and practical tips that readers can implement in their own business endeavors, encouraging them to apply what they have learned to their own unique situations. And number 6, focus on self-learning. The Personal MBA emphasizes the value of self-directed learning and encourages readers to continue their education beyond the scope of the book, fostering a mindset of continuous growth and development. Overall, the Personal MBA by Josh Kaufman is a well-structured and thoroughly outlined guide to essential business principles, and it incorporates a variety of techniques and strategies to provide readers with a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter and encourages practical application of the knowledge acquired. Well, did you like this training? Don't forget to click the like button if you did, to show the love, and if you want or if you like to explore the world's greatest book writing course for first-time authors. You can write a book like this. Head over to stardompublishing.com and check out the brand new online course, and there are dozens of shortcuts, templates, and awesome training in the members area. Check it out today.